How Uncle Sam subsidizes our ski trips. Being from Austria, Kurt loves skiing. It's Austria's national sport. But skiing is very expensive in the US. That's why they try to combine it with business whenever possible and deduct travel expenses from their income. Last week they attended the Executive Ski Workshop of the Self-Storage Association in Aspen, Colorado. They also enjoyed great skiing with a little subsidy from Uncle Sam. Why you should attend conventions. Kurt loves attending conventions and seminars. Here are 6 reasons why you should attend too. Travel tax-free. Attending conventions is business travel, so you can deduct most expenses from your income. Combine business and pleasure. Many conventions are scheduled so you can spend an extra weekend and still qualify for business travel. You only need to spend 4 hours per day doing business. That leaves plenty of time for leisure. Places you want to visit. You should pick conventions at locations you would like to visit. Orlando is a popular destination for seminars in spring. Education. You will learn something new to improve your business. It's worth the registration fee. Networking. You always meet interesting and successful people when you attend conventions. They will inspire you to succeed in your own business. Getting away from the daily grind. Sometimes you just need to get away from the daily hustle, as working with buyers and sellers is stressful. When you get away for a week, you'll refuel and come back with new energy to tackle your challenges. Are you looking for conventions and meetings to attend? Reply to this for suggestions. Travel tax-free. In order to qualify for travel deductions, your travel needs to benefit your business. So it's important to plan ahead. View this short video from the Bradford Tax Institute about deducting travel expenses. It will open your eyes to what's possible. We purchased their course after their CE class at Columbus Realtors in November. It's an invaluable resource which we share with our agents to help them reduce their tax bill. View the video at the link provided in the post. And for more expert tips and strategies, please visit columbusrealestatecoach.com and follow us on Instagram at agent_insider. And until next time, thank you for watching.